How to make your life interesting. 1. Be adventurous. Doing new activities is one of the simplest ways to add excitement to your life. It may be something simple, like trying a new restaurant or cuisine, or it might be something bigger, like starting a new interest or developing a new talent. Do new activities to expand your horizons and live an exciting life by exposing yourself to new experiences, ideas, and people. 2. Make goals. Setting goals for yourself is a great approach to give your life direction and meaning. These might be short-term or long-term objectives, but they must be measurable and specific. Having a target to strive for can inspire you and make you feel successful once you reach it. Having a goal to work toward, whether it be a personal goal, professional goal, or fitness goal, can add interest and fulfillment to your life. 3. Surround yourself with fascinating individuals. The people you choose to be in your life can have a big impact on you. Spending time among people who are intriguing, creative, and motivated might motivate you to do the same. Find individuals that share your interests or who have different experiences and viewpoints from your own. Your perspective on the world and your understanding of life may be expanded as a result. 4. Travel. A fantastic way to get out of your routine and see new things is to travel. Even a little weekend trip to a local town can be rejuvenating. It doesn't have to be a costly, far-flung adventure. You can learn a lot and develop yourself by traveling and experiencing different cultures, cuisines, and people. Traveling can also encourage you to challenge yourself and step outside of your comfort zone, which is a terrific way to build confidence and spice up your life.